Hi, I'm Fiona from Riverside Chiropractic. I'm going to show you how to use a massage ball to roll out those awful knots that you can get in your back around your rotator cuff and also in your glutes as well too. So I'm actually going to use a tennis ball for this demonstration because unless you've got a really firm wall, I've only got a spiky massage ball and they will leave little indentations in the wall and I don't really want that. So it is a bit harder to massage. Look, using a tennis ball isn't effective. It's not hard enough to get in there and get the knots. But what you'll see is I might slide around a little bit more than what you would with a massage ball because it's not actually the right tool for it. You can also use a cricket ball. That's really effective, or a lacrosse ball as well too. All right, so you place the ball between the wall and your back. You can start by just rolling up and down. If you find a particularly sore spot, you can press and hold on it as well until that releases. Now, some people like to push really hard. I have also heard that if you push really hard and it's quite painful and it's quite unpleasant, that actually stresses your body more and can make pain worse. So, perhaps it's a bit of personal preference as to what you can tolerate and what you like. So now, to get in and do your rotator cuff and into your lats as well too. You can do it on the floor, but you can also do it on the wall. Let's get the ball again and you roll up and down. This is getting the side of my rotator cuff. If I want to get a little bit more into my lats, I'm going to come down a little bit lower through here. That's the side of my lat down here. Okay, now if I want to get into my rotator cuff a bit further around, you just roll the ball over onto your shoulder blade, and you can, when you find a sore spot, you can rotate your arm in and out to also help speed up the release in the muscle. So this can be repeated in your low back as well. Put the ball against your back and slide up and down the wall. You can press and hold on a sore spot. And to get into your glutes, I would sit on the ball and just on a chair and just roll around on the ball until you find a sore spot and press and hold. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at inquiries@riversidechiropractic.com.au and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Okay,